Have you observed how some people walk into a room and own it while others shrink into the background? Why do some of us speak up with conviction while others hesitate? Welcome to Minutes Mastery series by 3T. Today we shall discuss the Wheel of Confidence, a simple yet powerful tool that helps you identify and strengthen the key elements of self-confidence. Confidence isn't something you are just born with. It's a skill you build, and that's where the Wheel of Confidence comes in. But why is confidence so important? According to studies, confident people are 25% more likely to be promoted at work and tend to earn higher salaries. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "No one can make you feel inferior without your consent." So, let us understand what exactly is this wheel of confidence. Think of it like the wheels on a car. When all parts are aligned, you move forward smoothly. But when one's off, you feel the bumps. The wheel of confidence is a framework focusing on 6 key elements. The first one being self-belief, which means believing in your abilities and worth. Without self-belief, it's hard to take risks or step out of your comfort zone. You can start with positive self-talk, like, "I'll give it my best shot." Second, preparation. Confidence grows when you know you are ready. Whether it's job interview or a presentation, being well prepared reduces anxiety and boosts performance. So, research thoroughly, practice and rehearse. Third, positive body language. How you carry yourself affects both how others perceive you and how you feel about your own self. Standing tall, making eye contact, and using open gestures convey and build confidence. So, practice power poses and smile often. Fourth, skill mastery. Knowing your craft inside out naturally boosts confidence. When you are good at something, it shows in your confidence. For instance, when I am conducting a training session on negotiation or leadership, I look and feel confident because I have the knowledge and skill for the same. Fifth, resilience. Confidence doesn't mean never failing. It means bouncing back when you fail. So view failures as learning opportunities. When something goes wrong, analyze it, adjust your approach and try again. And finally, the sixth one is experience. The more you expose yourself to challenging situations, the more comfortable and confident you become over time. So take initiative to step outside your comfort zone. Volunteer to lead a project, speak up in meetings, or take on new responsibilities. When you work on these 6 elements together, your wheel of confidence stays balanced, helping you move forward smoothly in life and at work. Let's take some examples from the movies. Remember Rocky Balboa, training against all odds, building his skills and self-belief until he became a champion. That's the wheel of confidence in action. When you work on the flip side, think of Ron Weasley from Harry Potter, talented but often held back by his lack of self-belief. So, apply these elements of Wheel of Confidence in your daily life. Start small, prepare thoroughly, and remind yourself of past wins. Each step strengthens your wheel, and with every turn, your confidence grows. Thanks for watching Minutes Mastery.